Hi and welcome back to Sister Cousins. Today I am going to attempt a centerpiece DIY using only items from the Dollar Tree. And I have here 3 wine glasses, 3 candles, 3 packages of bulbs, 1 poinsettia, and 1 charger plate. So I am going to put these together in a very, very simple, casual centerpiece for a table. All right, so I started putting it together just to kind of see what it would look like. So basically what I did was I just take 2 of the bulbs, 1 blue and 1 silver. I was hoping to get 3 in there, but it's not big enough. And I just put them in the glass and turn it upside down on the tray like this. I'm not liking the poinsettia, so I don't think I'm going to use that. I think I'm going to swap out for these pine cones, also from the Dollar Tree. So let me see how that can come together. And that made a nice difference. I really like that touch with the little silver pine cones. They're really small, but they have the little glitter on them. So they look nice. So I think this is going to be the finished look. So let me go ahead and put the table together and I'll come back on and show you how the finished product looks. Very, very simple. And this was, let's see, I used 2 packs of the bulbs. So that's 2. The pine cones, 3. 3 for the glasses, that's 6. 3 for the candles, that's 9. Yeah, so basically $9. Oh, and the charger plate, 10. So a $10 centerpiece from Dollar Tree. So this is the final tablescape. I just added a runner that I picked up off Amazon. I believe it was $7.99. It is a sequin runner. And then I added some plates. The white plates came from the Dollar Tree. The little clear sparkle plates on top came from Home Goods. I added chargers and a napkin and napkin ring. I really wish that I'd had some blue napkins. I think that would have really set the table off, but I didn't have any and I didn't want to run out and get any at this time because this is the casual table, so it's okay that the linens are white. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you are inspired from this little simple DIY, and happy holidays.